Hello and good day, good morning, good night. What's good? I am making a fresh roast, fresh set of coffee, fresh pot of coffee. Because today is a very special day. Today's a day that I'm going to be shooting for my birthday, my big 30th birthday, and I just want to do a little behind the scenes to show you guys what I do. I have some really loud neighbor dogs howling for some reason, probably because they hear my dogs being spoiled. Realizing that I spoiled my dogs a lot more than other people do. Yeah, anyways, I feel sorry for people that don't spoil their babies. It's so sad. Anyways, so today is the day that I start my shoot. I have all my outfits ready, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. And then after my makeup, I'm gonna start setting up. My house is so dirty right now still. This is like all my wedding stuff. We had Papa John's last night. Valentine's stuff because we're going to Mammoth this weekend. My living room, just trying to figure out what vibe I want. So this is just like me trying to decorate my living room. Yeah, and then clean clothes. I'm a mess. Anyways, let's go do makeup and then let's get started on this photo shoot. So I just finished setting up my little photo shoot area here. I'll make sure I link it in my Amazon storefront. The little stand that I used in the back, it's a metal stand, it's adjustable, so it's able to like go higher if I wanted it, lower, or more narrow. But this is pretty much what it looks like. I got mostly everything on here from AliExpress. This is foil paper, as you can see, but you can also use a foil metallic like wrapping paper. This kind of helps give it like that pop, and then also just like makes everything stand out in a way. I got this is a fake birthday cake. I got this fake birthday cake from AliExpress as well. I'll make sure I put my my AliExpress link, sorry. And then the 30 glitter, it's not really a candle, it's more glitter, but I love it because it had the pearls that came with it. Need to clean that up, probably fix that in editing. And then these balloons I also got from AliExpress for I think like $2 to $3 maybe for like a pack. I've had this string already for a while for like other birthdays. I just keep recycling it. And then I got these flowers from AliExpress. I got those really big flowers from AliExpress, these fake ones here. Those are also fake. And then also this big wrap is from AliExpress. Super cute and affordable. I think I probably paid less than $50 for all of this, honestly, like insane. And I get to do it in the comfort of my own home. Okay, so for my makeup, I want to do something similar to this picture here. So it's like pink eyeshadows and a bold blackish eyeliner with fake lashes. And yeah, just like pretty much just pink, baby pink. Nothing too crazy. I do want a little bit of shimmer. But yeah, so I'm wearing a baby pink corset. And like with like a rhinestone little band in my hair. I don't know yet if I'm gonna have my hair up or down in curls, but I just want like a really beautiful vintage kind of look, but something that gives like hot mom versus like little girly, because I am turning 30. I want to make sure I look like a woman. But yeah. So before I show my outfit, I want to show you the lights that I got. They're called Nice Veedi, VEEDI. I have them linked on the Amazon storefront that I have. So if you're interested in getting some of these, I got these. They're 2 pairs. I think I paid like less than $60 for 2 of them, and they're really nice. They go like higher than 6 feet, I believe. And they're adjustable. You can like adjust the color and all that fun stuff, and then the brightness. So I'm gonna have these 2 hooked up, and then in the center I'm gonna have another tripod recording, and then also taking photos at the same time. But let me show you the outfit now. Here is my outfit. It is so cute. A pink corset. I got the pink thigh-high stockings going on. I got a cute little pink thong. It came with one, but I wanted to do something more sexier, so this one has lace. And then I got this baguette stainless steel bracelet and these dangly earrings. I don't really wear dangly earrings because they're heavy, but these are surprisingly really lightweight. So I love that about them. But yeah, this is giving body. I don't know I think I got this in a size small and I thought it was gonna be big on me, but it fits amazingly. And I actually was struggling to put it on, but luckily there's a zipper side. And then in the back, you can tie it. So I'll just get a little closer to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, if you want to go a little tighter, a little looser, and then the little zip up here, super cute. Look at the details. Very gorgeous, very gorgeous. So if you're wondering, I got this whole outfit, maybe my Chibi does. I got this whole outfit, AliExpress, amazing. So now I think I'm about less than $100 on everything that I spent for my birthday photo shoot, which is really good if you think about it. When you go to a studio or you have to hire like makeup and hair and stuff like that, you're paying like probably like $1,000 at least just to do that. So I'm able to do everything at home, at my own home. And if you live in an apartment or in a studio, I'm sure that you can have like a little corner in your house or your room or whatever where you're able to do the same thing. It's not hard to do as long as you're patient and you plan out like 3 months in advance, like the least, because it did take me a while to receive all my products. I know I didn't receive one of my products, which was like this like metallic foil wrapping paper that I didn't get, but then I was able to use foil paper. Probably won't look as pretty, but it does do the job. But yeah, so let's start getting this content for my birthday. This is the other tripod that I'm going to be using. It's by Atumtek, Atumtek, also on my Amazon storefront. This is actually my second one. My first one lasted me about a year until I aggressively tried to close it and it snapped, but like I was like really putting pressure on that thing because I was in a hurry. Because when I looked at like the part that the attachment that snapped off, it was like a really big thick piece of plastic, and I don't know how I broke it because this stuff, like this tripod is so like durable and lasts so long. Like I've taken this to so many places like Mexico, Vegas and stuff like that. So I take this one everywhere with me and people always make fun of me because it is oddly shaped, but I love it. You can even connect it to your Bluetooth. And yeah, so I'm gonna use this one for my phone, and then the tripod that I'm using right now, I'm gonna be using for my camera. Okay, so I just did some of my B-roll for Instagram. I just did a bunch of random things. So I recorded myself for about 5 minutes just doing all kinds of stuff. So I was like playing with my cake, touching the numbers, smiling, like playing with my hair. And then I also started like playing with the balloons. And then I have these flowers here. So I was just like twirling the flowers around, being cute, stuff like that. And then the way that the frame was, it doesn't show that. So don't worry. But yeah, I'm gonna be able to like cut it and edit it the way that I want it to. But yeah, I was just like showing like my outfit, smiling, being cute, stuff like that, just so I could have something for Instagram. And then while I was also shooting this video, I was able to get a video of getting ready with me for my 30th birthday photo shoot. I did that, so I'm gonna be posting that on TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, so right now I'm just pretty much going to start doing my photo shoot now, just so I could get my photos out of the way. And also show you guys how I do my photos in case you want to do this as well for your birthday. So I'm gonna be shooting the photos on my Sony ZV-1. I got this a couple months ago and I love it. My quality of photos have been getting way better, but I mean, you could still take really good quality photos on your iPhone as long as there's really good lighting. But if there's not really good lighting, the photos kind of like vary, and you know, you never know what you're gonna get when you get those. But as in these, it's really quick and it does continuous shooting, which is really nice. And yeah. So this one as well, it flips, so you're able to see yourself shoot, and I love doing that. As a content creator, I personally love to see myself before I start shooting stuff because I need to make sure that it's gonna look good before I waste my time. So yeah, just flip it around, shoot, and it's also on a timer, and then it takes up to 30 photos per like click. So I'll click it, and then every 1 second that goes, 1 or 2 seconds that goes by, it takes a photo, takes a photo, takes a photo until it hits 30 photos, and then it stops. I review them. If I don't like any, I'll just keep going. Or if I liked the way that I was posing, but my hair was like off, then I'll be able to fix it and do that. So yeah, I really love this camera. So if you're a creator or you want to take some delicious photos like me, you should definitely invest in yourself, or just use your phone and make sure you take really good pictures. But the key is lighting, good lighting. All right, so in case you're curious on how or what the heck I just meant by that, it says right here, I have to look at myself for a second, select focus point on or off, 2-second interval for 30 photos. So I'm trying to do it where you can kind of see, but that's pretty much what it looks like. I adjusted, this is what my settings look like. It looks like that, auto focus, and then I have a full focus area, and then nothing really on my exposure, and then my ISO. It's like I'm trying to read backwards and on a camera, so and then these are all the ones that I have. Can't really see what that says, white balance, but yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. And then I'll go ahead and do it as if I was going to take one. So I let it focus, or I have my handy dandy assistant, my fiance Julian, do it for me. It's easier if you have someone hit the button because it does focus far away, or I have it just focus like on my hand or something like that. But here we go. So that's what it looks like as it's gonna start taking it, and now it's taking them. So after it's done, it's gonna complete, but it was supposed to take 30. And then I go on to where I have all my photos, and I just click it, and then I go like this. You can see all the photos that I just took without having to push that button over and over again. It just takes it for you. Super cute. Oh yeah, these are actually really cute. But yeah, there you have it. Jesus. All right, you guys, that is a wrap. I am finally done. Look at this. I'm finally done with my 30th birthday photo shoot. I had such a great time filming and showing you guys the behind the scenes of what I do to take a photo. But yeah, till next year on my birthday, you'll see the next one. But this one's very special because it is my 30th birthday, and that's a really big deal. Yeah, for me, I was born in 1993, March 8th. I'm a Pisces. Woo woo. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for those of you that have been following. And if you're not yet, make sure you like and subscribe, por favor. And leave a comment down below. And leave a comment down below if there's anything else you want to see. That being said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night. Bye.